Today, Morgan's Bar and Grill in Pine Bluff hosted its Vintage Wheels Timeless Appeal event, bringing out the classic AMC DeLorean fall ride. The vintage car show featured several DeLoreans. People there say maintaining the vehicles takes a good community, particularly when it comes to finding the right car parts.
Some even make their own. We've had someone made solid-state relays, which are like a modern electronic component to fix a lot of the electronic issues that were had. So just an incredible community.
He says vintage car owners in the Madison area are lucky to have a few stores in the Midwest they can go to get their cars serviced.